You profile a bunch of different designs in my guide, which you can pre-order and download the text-only version. What I really want to do is get a bunch of photos from fellow creators to put into my guide, and so that we can connect people who have similar styles to people they can follow for inspiration. And so that is what I'm working on right now. But until that's finished, you can get the text-only version for a steep discount, as well as the full photo version once it comes out. This is just what you get until you can have the other one. But what it has is all the different types, and it also has styles that have their DNA profiled. So Art Deco is bold, maximal, and cohesive, and it says a little bit about why it fits into that profile, and then also some tips on how to decorate using that style. It also explains exactly how I came up with the profiles. So it tells you why you are the profile that you are. So the way the test is set up, you might be on the border between two styles, and so if you took the test and didn't actually accurately represent you, it could be that you're actually one of the sister styles, and there's a part in this book that explains sister styles and how to find your sister styles and if that is a better fit for you. And the thing to know about the beta version is that it's mostly text, like there's not very many pictures. So you will need to Google. Google will be your friend. So go in there, get that book, and then look at the terms and then Google them. And you'll be able to get a plethora of pictures to look at based on the terms that you find in the book. And follow my page because I will be making videos with picture examples of all the different profiles in the next coming weeks.